Hello there. Today we are going to learn about creating a chart in MS Excel 2016. To do this, let's first launch the MS Excel application and open the Excel worksheet that we are going to work on. Excel supports various types of charts which can be used for plotting a chart for the given worksheet data. We can find the different chart types in the Charts group on the Insert tab. The Recommended Charts option in the Chart group on the Insert tab allows us to quickly create a chart that best matches the worksheet data. Let's begin. The basic steps for plotting a chart are the same, no matter what type of chart we choose. First, select the range of data to be included on the chart. Select cells A2 to E6. Then click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Go to Charts group. Select the option Insert Line or Area Chart. A drop-down list appears, laying down various subtypes of line charts. Let's select Line with markers. Look, a chart appears on the worksheet. Observe carefully. Two more tabs can be seen on the ribbon, the Design and Format tabs. These tabs help us to edit and format the chart further. Now let's learn how to move the chart to a desired location. First, click on the Move Chart option in the Location group on the Design tab. Here we will find two options. We can either select New Sheet option or the Object in option. New Sheet option is used to move the chart to a new sheet, whereas Object in option can be used if the chart should be placed as an object in a sheet. Let's select the New Sheet option to place our chart in a new spreadsheet. Click OK. Hooray! The chart has moved to a new sheet. Wasn't that interesting? Do practice this in your lab sessions.